Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am doing 8th class, 4th chapter constructions I have completed. So 4th chapter exponents and powers I am doing. So let us have a discussion about what is exponent and what is power and what is base. For this I am going to take what are this we are going to understand. I'm going to take an example 2 to the power of 3. In this 2 is called as base and 3 is called as exponent, and 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 8, this is called as power. So, power, base, and exponent. Actually, what do you mean by 2 to the power of 3? That means the base should be multiplied as many times as exponent says. Exponent says 3, so 3 times you have to multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 is the answer for it. So, this is the basic knowledge which you should have, children. This is base, this is exponent, this whole solution is called power. So, exponents and powers is the topic which we are going to talk about. Usually, I found many students have not understood the main concept of it. So, when they have given this kind of question, they are just multiplying these two. That is wrong, children. When you have got power, what do you mean? This is called exponent. When you have got exponent, exponent will tell you how many times the base has to be multiplied. So many times only base you have to multiply to get it. And one more mistake that I have found in the students is 2 to the power of 3, they are writing like this. Afterwards, what happens? It becomes a 23. So this is the wrong way of expression of base and power. When you are writing 2 here, as a power here, above this it should be, not at the side. If you take it at the side, when you are doing the sums, you will get a mistake of multiplying it. So that is not a multiple, but it is a power. That is, usually we call it as a power, but actually we should call it as an exponent. Exponent will tell you how many times the base has to be multiplied. So this is a small introduction about this, children. Please note it down. Now let us go to certain do these problems. So you have got in page 84 certain do these problems in page 84. In page 84, the first one is simplify. So in this simplify, you have got 3 to the power of 7, first bit, 3 to the power of 7 into 3 to the power of 3. See children here into, okay, into. So bases are same. So when you are multiplying same base, you can add the powers. That is 3 to the power of 10. What do you mean by this? 3 should be multiplied 10 times. And second one, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 is the base I am writing. How many times it is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 4 to the power of 5 is the answer for it, children. Third bit, 3 to the power of 4 into 4 cube. Here, children, children, here and here, the difference is the bases are same. So I have added powers, but here bases are not same. So I cannot add. This means what? 3 to the power of 4. 4 means 3. How many times you have to multiply? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3 into 4 should be multiplied 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4. 3 to the power of 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 to the power of 3. 4 into 3. 4, 4 into 4 into 4. 4, 3 times. So how much 3 3s are 9? 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Or 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Into 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So take 64, multiply it with 81, 4, 6, 32, 51. So what is the answer? 4815. So the answer is 5184 is the answer for this problem, children. So this is the first bit that you have got. You have got another bit. Second problem. The second problem, the distance between the distance between it goes on like this. Let me talk about it. The distance between Hyderabad and Delhi is 1674 1674.9 kilometers by rail. Means if a person is going by train, it is the distance. How would you express this in centimeters? They have given the measure in kilometers. You have to measure it in centimeters. Also express this in scientific form. So what is this scientific form? Writing it in the form of base and exponent. So let me take the number that is given as distance is 1674.9. 1674.9 kilometers. We know that 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So first let us convert it to 1674.9 into 1000 we will see. That means how much you are getting? 16749 and 123 zeros. But here decimal is there. So this many meters. Now convert it into centimeters. We know that 100 centimeters will make 1 meter. So this, that is 1674900 should be multiplied by 100. So what are we getting? 1674900 centimeters. So this in scientific form. What is the scientific form? Scientific form is you have to write this number as it is 16749 into zeros means 10 to the power of how many zeros are there? 4. 4 centimeters. This is the scientific way of expressing, children. Please copy it. Now we will see the next one. In page 86, you have another do this. That what is 10 to the power of minus 10 equal to? This is the question, children. So 10 to the power of minus 10 means these are all negative powers. When the power is negative, if you want to make it as positive, you have to put it in the denominator. This should be kept it in the denominator. 1 by 10 to the power of 10 is the value for it. So basing on this, let us write a formula. The formula here is a to the power of m multiplicative inverse. Let me write. This can be considered as a formula for multiplicative inverse. Formula for multiplicative inverse. For formula for multiplicative inverse, so we have got a to the power of m into a to the power of minus m is equal to a to the power of m minus m. These two will get cancelled. A to the power of 0. A to the power of 0 is 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. So multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m is a to the power of minus m, and a to the power of minus m is a to the power of m. That means what? When you are multiplying them, you should get answer as 1. How will you get 1? A to the power of plus m minus m will get cancelled. A to the power of 0. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. Say suppose I have written a number from here to here. A very big number you have written. And you have written power 0. Means that whole thing becomes 1. This knowledge you should have. Any number to the power of 0 means if exponent is 0, then the number itself is considered as 1. So multiplicative inverse means for children, you should get 1 as the answer when you multiply. You have done earlier. See, if you have normal number 6, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 6. Why? These two will get cancelled. You will be getting here. Here, the same thing I can write that a to the power of m into some multiplicative inverse x is equal to 1. If I say, what is this multiplicative inverse? This is nothing but 1 by a to the power of m. 1 by a to the power of m can be written as a to the power of minus m. The same thing I have written here, children. Multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m is a to the power of minus m. Similarly, if you take a to the power of minus m into some number x is equal to 1. So what is x? 1 by a to the power of minus m. That means, see, here in this case, in the numerator, 10 to the power of minus 10 means 10 to the power of minus 10 by 1, no? So in the numerator you have minus. So to make this minus into plus, what did we do? We have written the reciprocal of it. Here also, I have got a negative number in the denominator. To make it positive, I should put it in the numerator. So, multiplicative inverse of a to the power of minus m is a to the power of m. In this way, you can understand this. So, always multiplicative inverse means you have to see the exponent. Whatever is the sign that exponent is having, its opposite sign you have to write with the same base. That will give you the correct answer. I hope I am clear, children. Please copy it. Now you have another do this in the same page 86. What is it? Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. What is the multiplicative inverse of this? The first one is 3 to the power of minus 5. So as I said, multiplicative inverse of 3 to the power of minus 5 is what, children? I said the base you have to write as it is. Exponent you have to change the sign 3 to the power of 5. So that what you can say 3 to the power of minus 5 into 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of minus 5 plus 5, that is 3 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So in this way you can say. Next one, multiplicative inverse of 4 to the power of minus 3. So multiplicative inverse of 4 to the power of minus 3 is same base, power opposite side. So what we will say, 4 to the power of minus 3 into 4 to the power of 3 is 4 to the power of minus 3 plus 3, 4 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. Now, third one. Third bit, 7 to the power of minus 4. 7 to the power of minus 4. 7 to the power of minus 4. So, multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of minus 4 is equal to base same, exponent positive sign. So, 7 to the power of minus 4 into 7 to the power of 4 is 7 to the power of minus 4 plus 4. This is 7 to the power of 0, that is 1. Now, fourth bit we will see. 7 to the power of minus 3. So, multiplicative inverse of 7 to the power of minus 3 is equal to same base, power different. So, 7 to the power of minus 3 into 7 to the power of 3. 7 to the power of minus 3 plus 3, these two will get cancelled. 7 to the power of 0 is 1. Now, fifth one, x to the power of minus n. So, multiplicative inverse of x to the power of minus n. Don't worry or don't get to panic if you have a letter, children. Anything, we have to follow the procedure. If you follow the procedure, you will never go wrong. What is the procedure? Base should be taken as it is. Base is x, so I have taken it as it is. Power, opposite sign. X to the power of n, that's all. So x to the power of minus n into x to the power of n is x to the power of minus n plus n, these two will get cancelled. X to the power of 0, that is nothing but 1. Next, after fifth, sixth one. 1 by 4 to the power of 3. So, multiplicative inverse of 1 by 4 to the power of 3 is 4 to the power of 3. How can you write? 1 by 4 to the power of 3 can be written as 4 to the power of minus 3. So, 4 to the power of minus 3 into 4 to the power of 3 is 4 to the power of minus 3 plus 3. These two will get cancelled. 4 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So, one more bit is there, children. So, let me do it here so that everything will be completed. I am dividing the board so that here I can complete seventh bit. So, seventh bit is 1 by 10 to the power of 3. So, multiplicative inverse of 1 by 10 to the power of 3 is 10 to the power of 3. Why? 1 by 10 to the power of 3 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3. So 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of 3 is 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 3. These two will get cancelled. 10 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So these are the answers for the do this sum, children. Please copy. Next. Next, in do this page 87, you have to do this, children. Page 87, do this. Expand the following numbers using exponents. Expand using exponents. First bit. 543.67. So first let us write the expansion of it. See, from here ones, tens, hundreds, tenths, hundredths. You know that. So let me write the expanded form. 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 6 into 1 by 10, tenths place, plus 7 into 1 by 100. This is the expansion form. So when you write it 5 into 10 square, you will write 100 means plus 4 into 10, 10 or 10 to the power of 1 is same, plus 3 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100. So this can further written as 5 into 10 to the power of 2, that is 10 square, plus 4 into 10 plus 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Why did I write that? 10 means it has got only one zero, so power 1, and it goes to the numerator minus 1, plus 7 into 10 to the power of 2 zeros are there, 2 because it is in denominator minus 2. So 10 to the power of minus 2. This is the solution for this problem, children. Now let us see the second one. 7054.243. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 7 into 1000 plus 0 in the hundreds place plus 5 in the tens place plus 4 in the ones place plus 2 in the tens, 1 by 10, plus 4 in the hundreds, 1 by hundreds place, plus I'll write it like this, 2 into 1 by 10 and 4 into 1 by 100 plus 3 in the thousands place, 1 by 1000. So 7 into 10 to cube plus 0 we need not write, 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. This can be written as 7 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So if you want them to be clear, you can put brackets also, children. This is 3. This is here, like this is here, wherever you have got multiplication, you can put it in the bracket so that you can differentiate easily. Okay, so here also 4 into 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 1, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So write down this, children. Next, third bit 6540.305. So again 6 in thousands place plus 5 in hundreds place plus 4 in tens place plus 0 in ones place plus 3 in tenths place plus 0 in hundredths place plus 5 in thousandths place. So 6 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 4 into 10. This we need not write, plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 1000. This can also be written as 6 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is the answer for the third bit. And fourth bit 6523.450. So 6 in thousands place plus 5 in hundreds place plus 2 in tens place plus 3 in units place plus 4 in tenths place 1 by 10 tenths place plus 5 in hundreds place 1 by 100 plus 0 in thousands place. This can be written as 6 into 10 cube, then 5 into 10 square plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 by 10 plus 5 by 100, or else directly let us write it here, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That's all. 0 into any number is 0. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. With this, I'm going to conclude my topic. In the next class, I'll be doing the next part.